When my exhaust system decided to quit on me, I looked around for a little while for stock replacement parts, and everything was quite a bit more expensive than I thought it would be. While I was searching for the stock replacement stuff, I came across these performance systems from DC Auto Sports. I got it on Amazon. It wasn't that much more than the stock replacement stuff would have been. They're pretty well built, and I don't know, everything I needed to put it onto my car came in the box. I was pretty happy with how it turned out. I took some videos while working through this, and yeah, that's what I'm going to show you here. Gotta try and get these two off here with as little swearing as possible. Not a big deal if they break. Definitely got another pair of them with the new cat, so still I'm gonna try to get them out in one piece. Definitely helped to spray everything down WD-40. Let's see about this fellow though. Got everything off there. Had to heat up that stud, which is where I left you guys last time. It was a bit of an ordeal. We got it off. Just got the rest of the old exhaust to remove now, and shouldn't be too bad. Right, got everything out all the way back. The muffler's still hanging on at the back there, but can't see it, and I can't actually get to it now with having the front end of the car jacked up so high. Okay, so everything is installed. It's the next morning, Sunday morning now. Had such a pain in the ass time with the springs on the new catalytic converter, and then having to replace the old one because the flanges were so thick, which is a good thing, but not for the hardware. They gave me the right hardware, I just couldn't get the studs out of the manifold, so I had to resort to the old cat. Nothing wrong with it, just wanted to replace it for, you know, fun. This is looking pretty nice. I just started it up. No leaks, nothing I can tell anyway. I mean, we'll recheck in a few hundred kilometers. But yeah, it's looking pretty solid underneath here.